Hong Kong, an international metropolis. However, behind this city contains of different unfriendly elements and policies, make homelessness problem become a vicious cycle. Therefore, we want to arouse the public awareness of the hardness that homelessness facing and how the government policies torment them. We will cooperate with IKEA, a company aims to provide people a better living condition, to build up an experience zone inspired by the homeland of homelessness for the public to visit. Imagine when the customers are enjoying walking in IKEA, they suddenly enter a display flat that's full of strange furnitures. All the furniture are created by white lines or different unfriendly facilities that homelessness are facing. In different areas, there will be different ironic descriptions such as saying, everything there sounds ridiculous, but they are all reality. Just like here, there are different white texts contains of product price, description, and the story behind next to the furnitures. Visitors can take those tags as souvenirs and tear off the bottom part for them to vote for their most hated facilities the government ever made. They may also leave their supporting wordings on it for the homelessness. All the data received will be sent to different departments and urge the governments to face and solve the living problem of homelessness. Stories of homelessness will be hung outside to let visitors have a better understanding. Facebook posts will be posted to invite public to join this hidden event, as well as the cover and the back of IKEA catalog will be redesigned to promote this topic. Hidden camera will be also placed to record the direct feelings and reactions of the public in the fact. Video combined data and supporting wordings, as well as documentary of homelessness, will be posted after the event as to bring the campaign back to online. We expect this event can arouse public awareness on homelessness topic, and the government can treat them better, as well as to improve the living condition of them, instead of just ignoring problems, but to create a better city.